Hello everyone, welcome to watch today nice circle black and white. What is the problem? Why we suggest nice circle? Today we are going to talk three issues: the brake system, the brake noise, and also the temperature. Okay, a car needed a very high power because of driving feeling, but at the same time it also needed a very good brake. But when we press the pedal for the braking time, sometimes we will hear some very annoying noise. Normally we kidding it as the brake's annoying noise. Mechanic, when they install these parts to the brake system, normally they will use some grease, some lubricant grease. No matter this kind of grease is the spray style or is the pasta style, mainly this lubricant grease has several functions. One is, as what I say, is a lubricant, so it can help the mechanic very easy for working. The other one is to reduce the friction and also to create some protection layer. This protection layer can avoid sunshine, snow, rain, or the dust. However, those kind of grease normally say it can endure high temperature. So now we talk about temperature. What kind of a high temperature it can be? The temperature it says it can endure 100 degrees, it can endure 200 degrees. However, when we press the pedal for the braking, do you know how many degrees for the parts? The parts, their movement is roughly 500 degrees to 600 degrees. If your parts, if your braking is tuning parts or even have the dual piston, their movement, their temperature is 700 degrees or 800 degrees already. That kind of a situation, the normal grease, it will reduce and also erase the grease, because the grease is totally melt. When it gets melt, it will disappear the protection layer. When the protection layer is disappeared, what will happen? All the parts will contact the sunshine directly, the snow directly, the rain directly, and also the dust from the road directly. So it will create a lot of friction. The metal and metal, when you friction, you will hear the sound, very, very sharp sound. That is why. Conclusion today. What is the problem? The brake noise. Why we suggest nice circle? Nice circle past the temperature. For this one, it can endure -50 to +1000 degrees. That means that no matter your location is in Russia, South Korea, North Korea, or even Canada, you don't need to worry about the winter problem. And also, no matter you living in a very hot and humid country like Taiwan or maybe the Southeast Asia, you also no need to worry, because when you apply it, you can totally create the protection layer to protect all the temperature and all the environment problems. Thank you for watching today. Nice circle black and white. This one for your braking, for your safety.